Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening a private window immediately. First, make sure your browser is the one you want. Once done, press the keyboard shortcut for a new Incognito window. You do this so local browsing history and cookies are isolated from your regular session. If you prefer menus, click the browser menu and select New Incognito or Private Window. This is the first actionable step, because it creates a separate session that prevents local storage from being reused. Once the private window is open, control what persists. You should sign into accounts only when necessary and log out before closing, because sessions are cleared but not server-side data. Make sure to disable or limit extensions in Incognito. Many still have permissions and can collect data. Also, remember downloads and bookmarks saved to your laptop. They won't vanish with the window. These middle steps reduce tracking and prevent accidental data retention while you browse privately. To finish, close every Incognito window. That triggers deletion of session cookies and local storage for that session. If you notice saved logins or cookies still present, go to Browser Settings and clear cache and site data explicitly, then restart the browser. If pages leak identifying info, make sure extensions aren't allowed in Incognito, update the browser, or use a VPN for additional privacy. If a problem persists, reboot and repeat these steps to ensure a clean private session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.